time watching the heroes in action. Abbas Afridi. 2 more overs to go, 67 needed. In the slot again, straight as an arrow, and starts the 5th over with a maximum.
And that's what they need. They need many of those. First delivery gone for 6. Yasin bowling his 2nd over. Another arm delivery, and Abbas was really searching for a length. He can just put it away, and he did it beautifully. Straight bat, straight over the bowler's head. Lovely shot.
The benefit of all our viewers, one bowler can bowl 2 overs, and Yasin is bowling his 2nd over. Bowled his 1st over for 18 runs. Nicely bowled, but this occasion it's over long on, going above us for another maximum.
Yeah, clean strike. Just ball was drifting down the leg side, and he made sure that he clears his front leg and bring the bat down on time. Beautiful shot.
Full toss and clears the boundary. 3 in 3. Abbas Afridi, the captain, turns it on for Pakistan.
Yeah, he's not going to give it up. He's not going to let it go just that easily. And looking for Yorker, got it wrong. And this time around it was more cow corner, hit it nicely.
Make it 4 out of 4. This is the biggest out of the first 3. Abbas Afridi, the captain.
Are we going to see 6 out of 6? Why not? We've seen it in the past here in the 6s. I remember Viv Richard hit 4 6s in a row, needing 22 in the last over, and he won the game for West Indies back in 1993, I think.
Make it 5 out of 5 in the slot, and over the side screen it goes. Abbas Afridi, he's on fire.
Wow, what a shot. He's keeping it simple, isn't he? He's not really trying to go across. He's looking to hit straight, and that's the key for his success in this over. 5th 6 of the over.
Full toss, make it 6 out of 6, and guess what? Rubbing salt into the wound. It's been called a no ball. 36 plus the no ball, and plenty of more to come.
Yeah, that's what happens when you put bowler under pressure. He hit him 6, he changed his line, he went around the wicket. Yasin didn't bowl the very good over, the first one also. Remember, he decided to go and take the 2nd over also, bowled a no ball, and it's gone for 6. Pakistan back in the game.